just going to go to Sherington and then round and back to Havisham and home. Hi, here we are today's ride. Well, I got to Newport and it started raining, absolutely cats and dogs. So I had to wait there for 15 minutes. And now look at it. Here we are at St Laud's in Sherington.
Nothing here is right, feeling dead inside. Everything feels like a dream, it's all gone wrong. Waiting for a call.
Just on Gun Lane now, on Sherington. Trusty old bus stop at Tyringham. I'll show you inside it. It's not exactly in pristine condition. So here we are at St Peter's. St Peter's is there, and Tyringham Bridge is just over there. And we're going to have a cup of tea and a chocolate biscuit, dark chocolate biscuit. So we've got a flask of tea, which is here. And 3 dark chocolate biscuits. Nice one, I'll just try it for you. Sweet tea. Oh wow, that is pucker.
the strongest mind when driven round the bend. To face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the centre of the fire. I'm closed for business today.
Tyringham Manor over there. The light's absolutely perfect right now.
For the strongest mind when driven round the bend. To face the near impossible when the fog descends. You can place your goodwill in the centre of the fire. I'm closed for business today. It falls from the sky and it crushes us to the ground. Movements are sluggish and enthusiasm can't be found. I can't see anything out there. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. Try to figure out what broke the day. A chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today. Step away from the monitor and spend more time in real life. Self-comparison can only do you harm. It's all a facade anyway. While I procrastinate, the hours tick on by. But when the fog descends, there is no how or where or why. You can leave your goodwill in the centre of the fire. I'm closed for business today. Take your pills and push the quilt away. And try to figure out what broke the day. Chemical imbalance or just circumstance? Or is it just a part of me by random chance? Answers on a postcard and send them right away. I'm closed for business today.